In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create custom text in Canva, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Custom text is one of the easiest ways to make your design stand out, whether you're creating Instagram posts, presentations, thumbnails, or marketing graphics. By the end of this video, you'll know how to change fonts, adjust spacing, apply effects, and even curve your text inside Canva. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free in just a few seconds. From the home screen, click on the Create a Design button, or open an existing design if you already have one. For this example, let's create something new. Next, choose a design type. I'll select an Instagram post, but you can choose any format you want depending on your project. Once the blank canvas opens, head over to the left sidebar and click on the Text option. This is where all text-related tools live in Canva. You'll see options like Add a heading, Add a subheading, or add a little bit of body text. Click on either a heading or subheading to add a text box to your design. Now click directly on the text box in the canvas and start typing your own text. This is where your custom text journey really begins. With the text box selected, look at the top toolbar. Click on the Font drop-down menu to view all available fonts. Canva offers a huge library of fonts, so feel free to scroll and test different styles until you find one that fits your design. Once you've chosen a font, you can adjust the font size using the plus and minus buttons, or by typing an exact number into the size box. Next, let's change the text color. Highlight your text, then click on the text color option in the top menu. Choose a color from the palette or use a custom color if you want to match your brand exactly. Now to make your text look even more custom, click on Advanced Settings. Here, you can adjust letter spacing and line spacing. Use the sliders or enter a specific number to fine-tune how your text looks. Small changes here can make a big difference in readability and style. With your text still selected, click on Effects in the top menu. Canva offers effects like shadow, lift, hollow, splice, and more. For example, choose shadow and adjust the settings to add depth to your text. You can always experiment with different effects until you're happy with the result. Next, let's curve the text. With your text selected, click on Effects again and choose the Curve option. Use the slider or enter a number to curve the text upward or downward. This is perfect for logos, badges, or creative social media designs. Finally, resize and position your text by dragging the corner handles of the text box. Move it around the canvas until it fits perfectly with your overall design. And that's it. You've just created fully custom text in Canva using fonts, colors, spacing, effects, and curves. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.